2024 Honda HR-V. Likes. Balanced proportions. Clean cabin design. Room for 4 adults. Calm ride. User-friendly infotainment. Dislikes. Dull acceleration. Lacks cargo versatility. A gas guzzler for the size. Buying tip. With plenty of space for passengers and cargo, the HR-V offers solid value across the lineup. The 2024 Honda HR-V demonstrates that budget-oriented family life still has a lot to offer. What kind of car is the 2024 Honda HR-V? What does it compare to? The 2024 Honda HR-V is a great example of the small crossover. It straddles the style differences between SUV and hatchback, while prioritizing affordability. Competitors include the Hyundai Venue, Volkswagen Taos, and Subaru Crosstrek. Is the 2024 Honda HR-V a good crossover? We award the HR-V strong ratings for its styling, comfort, and features, while good handling improves its performance score. The underwhelming fuel economy ratings bring down the overall score, however, for a TCC rating of 6.5 out of 10. What's new for the 2024 Honda HR-V? Nothing aside from a $500 price increase. The HR-V was fully redesigned and entered its second generation for 2023, with a profile and roofline that say hatchback more confidently than SUV. The cabin was designed with family use as the priority, in everything from the cargo floor to the upholstery. This marks a change from the active lifestyle mindset that drove earlier HR-V models, and the element before that. With an uncluttered instrument display and seats that are only slightly elevated above a typical car, the HR-V goes for simplicity, resulting in one of the most spacious crossovers in terms of usable headroom and legroom. Cargo capacity accommodates a big grocery trip without folding down the seats, and the door openings are wide enough to unbuckle your toddler without being a contortionist. The HR-V is dragged down by lack of productive communication between the 158 HP 2.0-liter inline-4 engine and the CVT, particularly if you often drive through hills. However, handling, ride, and braking are well sorted. The HR-V feels civic-like on curvy roads, assuming it can maintain momentum. On the highway, the HR-V is quiet and calm, which is a considerable improvement over the bouncier ride of the previous generation. For this generation, the latest version of the Honda Sensing Active Safety Suite comes standard, with features like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, active lane control, and adaptive cruise control. Styling. The HR-V avoids making waves but delivers simple charm. Is the Honda HR-V a good-looking car? Yes, with small details that flaunt the HR-V's charm despite proportions and a profile that blend into the masses of small crossovers. That earns a step above the norm for the exterior, while the cabin scores a bonus point for its uncluttered look. That gives the HR-V a total of an 7 out of 10. The HR-V evolves from its awkward, creased look in favor of a cleaner, visually lower design, thanks to a long hood and car-like proportions. It employs design elements from throughout the Honda stable, like rear lighting shared with the CR-V and a roofline like Acura's latest MDX. Performance. The HR-V's acceleration and speed are modest, but its spirited handling make the commute less dull. The HR-V isn't fast or quick, but exceptional tuning makes for good handling, ride, and braking, as well as a good overall sensory experience. We subtract a point for the powertrain but add 2 points for the ride and handling to a 6 out of 10. Is the Honda HR-V 4WD? The HR-V comes standard with front-wheel drive, but for $1,500 more the optional all-wheel drive system uses hydraulics to operate a clutch and shift about half the torque to the rear wheels as needed. Comfort and quality. The HR-V trades some cargo space in favor of cabin space. The HR-V edges into cabin sizes like the Ford Escape, Toyota RAV4, Nissan Rogue, and other compact crossovers. Comfy front seats and roomy rear seats each earn a point, as does the quiet ride, resulting in an 8 out of 10. The HR-V's cabin no longer features the flip-upright magic seat setup, but it has a big cargo area and a comfortable rear row. The seat design optimizes posture and support, and combined with the wide door cuts, helps make the HR-V feel more spacious than its subcompact footprint suggests. The HR-V is quiet, too, thanks to an acoustic windshield and generous sound insulation in the doors, floor, dash, and trunk lining. Safety. The 2024 Honda HR-V earns a top safety pick and from the IIHS. How safe is the Honda HR-V? The NHTSA hasn't tested the HR-V since its redesign, but the IIHS awards the 2023 model a top safety pick and rating. Combined with the generous list of standard safety equipment, that earns a 7 here. The HR-V features 10 standard airbags, active lane control, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. A road departure mitigation system fine-tunes braking and steering to prevent or minimize a loss of control. These features are included with the single-camera Honda sensing system. Features. The HR-V offers tremendous value. The 2024 Honda HR-V has more of a focus on value than ever. For the low base price, long list of standard features, and great infotainment tech, it earns an 8 out of 10. All HR-V models include power windows, automatic climate control, alloy wheels, and a 7.0-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Models with the 9.0-inch display support wireless smartphone integration. Fuel economy. The HR-V should be more efficient than it is. Is the Honda HR-V good on gas? No, which is surprising. With all-wheel drive, the HR-V is rated at 25 mpg city, 30 highway, 27 combined, while front-wheel drive models get 26/32/28 mpg. It's not only thirstier than rivals, it's also 2 mpg lower than Honda's larger CR-V. It's just a 3 out of 10 on our scale.